Let's go ahead and get these shocks off and get them swapped. But in terms of a swap update, guys, this thing's been running perfectly and it's a blast to drive. Highly recommend it to anyone that's never driven one to get one. K20 or anything, even just a B18A or an LS engine. It's still a lot of fun. It makes this chassis wake up a little bit. I wasn't sure that was gonna work out or not, but it did. So that's good. Right here you guys can see that the fork distance is essentially the same between the two at the bottom. So we're good there. And there's the Integra and the Civic. So let's swap them in. Drives. So if anything, it looks like it evened out the front and rear. I guess that's not the worst case scenario. At least we're even. I think if I put on the GSR rims, it'll even it out even more and hopefully make it nice and tighter on the wheel gap. We'll see. I will say this, I think I like it. It doesn't dive as much. Especially under braking, it doesn't dive like before. It would dive so much and weight transfer so much weight to the front. I'd lock up the brakes all the time, and I don't have ABS, so it's pretty easy. But with this, it keeps it more level on the front, especially if you hit it hard, like the high-speed damping. It seems like on the valving keeps it from diving. But once you get a little bit slower and you do a low, slow, steady stop, it'll dive a little bit more. So it's nice for that. Handling-wise, I think I'll have to figure that out. I don't have any sway bars still, so I don't know if it's going to make a huge difference. But yeah, not a lot of extra wheel spin. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this and try it out.